Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm excited to introduce a brand new feature in the Magic Home app, the temperature and humidity sensor integration using a DHT sensor. In this video, you'll learn how to interface the DHT11 or DHT22 sensor with the Magic Home app using an ESP32. Alright, let's get started. First, let's take a look at the hardware setup. Here I'm using an ESP32 dev kit V1, two 220 ohm resistors, two LEDs, and a DHT11 sensor. You can use either DHT11 or DHT22. If you want more accurate readings, go with the DHT22. Here's the circuit diagram. Make sure you follow the same connection setup. I've connected the two LEDs to GPIO pins 18 and 19 through 220 ohm resistors, and the DHT11 sensor's data pin to GPIO pin 4. Also, make sure the VCC and GND pins of the DHT sensor are properly connected. Now let's move on to the software setup. I've uploaded the complete source code to my GitHub. You'll find the link in the description below. You can also find detailed documentation there. Alright, let's get started. First, clone the source code from GitHub. I've already cloned it here. Before opening the project, make sure that the PlatformIO extension is installed in your Visual Studio Code. Now, open the main.cpp file. Here, change the DHT type value to T11 or DH22 depending on your sensor. Since I'm using a DHT11, I'll leave it as it is. Next, update your Wi-Fi credentials. Then, go to the device information section. You can change the device name if you'd like. I've set mine as ESP32 controller. We'll use this name to connect the device with the Magic Home app. If you'd like to modify the relay configuration, you can do so by updating the number of relays and adding their details. I've already created a video explaining relay configuration. You'll find the link in the description below. Once all configurations are done, it's time to compile the project. Connect your ESP32 to your computer and upload the code. Perfect. Upload successful. Now open your Magic Home app. Make sure you're using version 1.2 or later. It's available on both the Play Store and App Store. Links are in the description. Ensure that your phone and ESP32 controller are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. In the app settings, you can either enter the device name or IP address of your controller. This time, I'll use the device name method. I've configured mine as ESP32 core controller, so I'll type ESP32 controller.local. Don't forget to add .local at the end. Now, tap on Discover Device. And here it is. The app has found our ESP32 controller. Tap Connect, and we're connected successfully. Now, go to the dashboard, and you'll see the temperature and humidity readings displayed. You can also control the relays directly from the app. Everything is working perfectly. Alright friends, I hope this video helped you understand how to set up and connect your DHT sensor with the Magic Home app. If you face any issues while connecting, make sure your phone and controller are on the same Wi-Fi network, or try restarting the app. And of course, if you still face problems, feel free to leave a comment. I'll be happy to help you out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on Magic Home and ESP32 projects. See you in the next video. Bye.